Is it getting dust on your boots? And grass seeds in your hat? Or is it slowing down long enough to notice how the breeze gently ruffles the river grass? Or how peaceful it is on the water in the quiet, still dawn? At Classic Zambia, we know what our authentic is. It's a proud blend of guiding that goes the extra mile, personalized service, and quintessential attention to detail. And all of this within some of the very best locations in Zambia's remote wilderness areas. From the secluded serenity of Chula Island to the whispering plains of Ntemwabusanga, to Msekese's reverential lagoon, and to the peaceful embrace of Kutali's winterthorn forests. We are as proud of our hand-picked locations as we are of the animals and the people that call them home. We want you to feel at home, to feel immersed in our special blend of Africa. So come and connect with yourself, with nature, with Zambia.